Sometimes our bodies just say, I want some crackers. Low sodium crackers might be a little tricky to find. Ritz has hint of salt, regular size, crackers, 5 milligrams apiece. Wheat thins are smaller than Ritz are. Each cracker, hint of salt, has 3.44. Triscuits are a little bit larger than Ritz. Hint of salt, 8.34 milligrams per cracker. Melba Toast has a toast, but it's kind of like a cracker that has no sodium. The only place that I've found this is to order it from Healthy Heart Market. I'm not really fond of Melba Toast, but I found something. Sprouts Family Market and Whole Foods Market have a no sodium peanut butter and almond butter on their shelves. These can also be ordered from Healthy Heart Market or Amazon. A little bit of either one of these on that no sodium Melba Toast is really good for a snack. Little pick me up in the middle of the day.